friends, it's Liz here. Thank you for joining me today. I have the unboxing for the August subscription of Your Creative Studio. I will actually be showing the unboxing, mostly just the opening. I won't be chatting through it, but I will be showing you after I have done the unboxing what I've done with some of the pieces and how I've used them in my current work. So I hope you enjoy the unboxing, and as always, questions, comments, please leave them below. I will have links to Your Creative Studio in the description box below, as well as previous unboxings if you wanted to see what has come in the boxes and also what I have created with the boxes. So I took a few of the items in the box that were my favorite at this time. There's usually some that stick out a little bit more than others. I am working on my Angie inspired projects at the moment, and this was perfect for some of these pieces. So I'm just going to show you what I've been working on and where I added some of the items. So this one pocket tag, I actually made a tag to go inside this large one. The back of it, I did add some of the mushrooms that came in this piece here, as you can see. I do like that some of them already look like they are distressed. The front here, so this is one of the pocket tags that I'm working on. This is beautiful vintage lace or crochet, I guess, crochet pieces. And then here I added a couple of pieces from the Ephemera box. As you can see, the faux vintage stamps. And then I also added these little strips. I used them as washi tape, which are so lovely. Some of the images, so it's really nice to add a little piece to a project, as you can see. And then the back, I used again one of these distressed looking pieces. I did use a little bit of the washi tape, and if you can see there, it's a little see-through, which is lovely, so you can see what's behind it. And then the stamp, you can barely see it up there, but I just didn't want to overdo it. It came from one of the previous subscription boxes that I have. And I just think it's looking so lovely the way the pieces are coming together, and these little elements just, you know, kind of make it all cohesive. So here again, I used another one of those pieces. These tags are very sturdy. I'm really liking how they're coming out, and basically I'm doing a lot of collaging on these. You'll see what I'm doing a little bit later in another video when I show you the projects that we'll be making. So here, this one again, I used one of those pieces, and you can see how it's got that lovely distressed look. Again, that little strip there is from one of the paper strips that we received. This is paintable wallpaper. This is my actual digital, and I just added a little strip of that paper there at the top to make it look like washi again. And I'm really loving how it's turned out. So I just wanted to show you quickly how you can add these to any of your projects. I really enjoyed putting these together, and I will be coming back soon to show you more ideas and projects using the subscription box. As always, questions, comments, please leave them below, and thanks so much for stopping by.